I'm testing here the new tool um, from Microsoft. Just doing like a live streaming to see what we got. I got access yesterday from the early access, whatever. So playing around a little bit and let's see what we got. Anyone in the chat definitely can send me any prompt that you guys want to try. I'm having some problem with my streaming, so maybe I get um, caught sometime. So I will try to go back as soon as possible. So big difference between ChatGTP and Bing definitely is the internet connection. Like um, usually if you want to do something like this, you can. You just have to get the data from the internet and apply it here and provide it to the chat. Like if you want to get some like data like this, when you can see like search volume or other stuff, you can on ChatGTP. Maybe you can with old data, but here it looks like you're getting kind of like a um, data from sources like this. Let me show you. It say that it is getting data from Google keyword, from this keyword tool as well. Um, word tracker. So let's see what we got. Um, I'm just making sure the streaming is going live. So I'm making kind of like a scraping from a product on Amazon that it is very difficult to do it on ChatGPT. There's an extension that I built to make kind of like that, but it is so messy. It is like super crazy. But here you see, guys, that we can just do it like that. Um, so again, this is crazy because it's about like straightforward. You don't need to worry about like collecting any data. Um, So I asked to change this part antimicrobial because Amazon used to flag that when you do antimicrobial since COVID, they don't want you to mention that on any listing. Doesn't matter that it's not any like a mass or anything like that. So I just tell, hey, don't mention that word, and it change it to this to breathable to fabric. So now the description looks better for me. I haven't read it yet, but um, just by seeing it, looks like um, looks like it is doing the job. Now it is getting cut. The same thing that's happening with Chat GTP, and here like a and they say like no, there's no limit. You can use it as many times as you want. Let me see how legit is the data. Actually, I can log in on Chrome because it is my account already. I'm gonna log into my account. So let me see. Let's maybe go through here. That's almost 2 by 1. And let me see what it says. So I guess resistance level for today, support will be from around 201 to 220. Let me see what they say. Let's see, give me the resistance and support. So it's actually, yeah, let's go up to that. Um, so again, this is very accurate. I don't get my moving average set it up for 50 and 200. I get a different setup. I'm just comparing how accurate this is. This is it. Uh, Actually, show me like the news. That was for today, correct? Yes, it is super accurate. I think that's low for like support levels. Yep. So now it's closer. Yep. Okay. So let me show the chart. So this is like the most closer resistor level. So yep, it's around 190. And so here I got like around 220. And so 190, and it is a which is the resistance is 228. I think that's a little bit higher. Actually, yeah, that's the highest. Actually, yep, 228. That's the whole. So from here, but it's getting it from the actually yeah, that's true. That's how you should measure it. I always go a little bit more conservative, and I should go like these levels. Let me do yeah. Let me do like an hour and see how it is. Say 228, I guess. So somewhere here. Yeah, that's like great. And you say like 190. Let's see. Okay, so 228. Yep, it is pretty accurate. And of course, you have to do a lot of other stuff. You cannot just um, trade straightforward from this information, but then just again, I'm just testing this tool to see. Actually, give me the chart. That is pretty nice. You can see the chart on Bing.com. It's pretty helpful when you get here. Um, so there's a lot of stuff you can do here. Let me see what else we can do. Let me think about it. Um, Let me see what did it say. So I'm trying to test it with data from the internet. Like, let's see what it is saying from the news. Because this stuff you can do it on ChatGPT. I'm just trying to test stuff that are like this is another stuff that it have like um kind of like a suggestions for chats. So what is this? Oh, I think it's to make it bigger or what? I'm not sure. Um, there's also like a composer tool. I have no idea how to get it. Maybe it's not available yet, but I see some people on the presentation from Microsoft. They have been doing like a composer thing here, but I cannot get it working. See if I can join the waiting list. I get accepted to the waiting list yesterday, so not sure if everybody have it here. But I'm not having that tool yet. Looks like it's gonna be somewhere here. Not sure. So let's see what was the examples from them. They have been doing something like writing an itinerary. So let's say I'm traveling to Puerto Rico in June. Can you make me an travel ET? Let me see what it is say. So anyone in the chat, you guys can send me any prompt you guys want to try. So um, if anyone in the chat wants to try this tool, just let me know what you guys want me to search. That's pretty cool. So I live in Puerto Rico, and kind of like the actual itinerary, it makes sense because this is the center of the island, like the main city, San Juan, and like El Yunque is a little bit to the east, but it's about 30-45 minutes from San Juan. So if you keep going, you can go to Culebra and Vieques, that is like an island that is on the whole east side. So that's meaning that it's not sending me from San Juan to Ponce. Ponce is on the south of the island, and then Rincon is on the left side, like west side of the island. So that's cool thing to see. Let me show you the Puerto Rico map. Anyway, Okay, so this is San Juan, and he's sending me to Rio Grande, which is Oyunque, and then he's sending me to Culebra or Vieques. That is like actually like a like everybody who goes to Puerto Rico, that's top recommendations. Absolutely, there's no other thing that I can think about it. So usually people arrive here in San Juan, and there's a lot of taxis that get you here to Rio Grande, and then to go to Culebra or Vieques, you have to drive here to Fajardo, and you get like a ferry that it takes like probably like 2 hours, no, like 30 minutes to get to Culebra. And here there's a lot of good beaches, and there's super nice to be there. So then it's sending you to Ponce, which is here. So of course you have to go back and then drive all the way down to Ponce. You go like this way, and then you go to Rincon. So the thing is, I like the itinerary that is not sending you from San Juan to Rincon to Culebra, then to Ponce. So it makes sense what it is saying. Then say like return to San Juan, and then before you leave. So that's nice. So that like ChatGPT, if you ask something like that, it is sometimes doesn't get that logic. And for example, I tried yesterday do it on ChatGPT, and whatever is get me was something random. Let me see if I can open it here. Let me do the whole prompt. Yeah, it is basically giving me the same recommendation, because that's like the popular. So now it is doing the basically the same itinerary from the other chat. Um, Here it's sending me to the center of the island, which um, it is going from Ponce to the center of the island. So it's going to the southwest to the center, and then it's a yeah. Now it's sending me to the north, and that's okay. But I really like the way that this gives me an itinerary. If somebody told me, hey, what you can do in Puerto Rico, this is probably what I will recommend them. There's a lot of stuff to do in Puerto Rico, but this is definitely kind of like the most popular stuff that you can do in Puerto Rico. Um, Let me see what else. So I have been doing like a kind of like a little bit of scraping when I start the streaming. Let me see what else I can think about it. Let me see if I can scrape pace. Um, Let me see. I'm trying to scrape this listing from here. So the bestseller, you're only gonna see the first 50 on the first page. But basically, I hope it is getting me anything like this. Oh, I need to log in here. Um, let's see if clicking here will log me. Some reason I need to reset my password. Not sure why, but I'll try a little bit later. So, yep, it is doing scraping. So that's interesting. That's pretty helpful. Let me do the comparison here. Um, so that is pretty cool. Again, I have an extension to do it, and I don't have to like compare one by one. I just can compare, but I need to log in, and I'm just doing like a quick example. I don't wanna do my password reset. So let's see, it is legit or no. So the first one is the walk hero plan to facilitate fit install. So number two is the doctor shows heavy duty. Number three is work messaging. Number four, so here's an error. It is get stuck a little bit. To comfort. Yeah, it is not accurate. It is getting kind of like a, yep, it is getting messed up. So web scraping is not too accurate, but there's a lot of things going on here. Some of them have different sizes. I guess I know what is going on. Probably if you go a little bit more technical and you give like expat and so let me see something. Let me actually do Chrome now. I think that's why I wasn't able to do it. Okay. Maybe I need to provide the website. Yeah, I think I need to provide the URL. Let me see how I should say like class and expats etc. But I just actually that's not the one. I'm pretty sure it can do something like that. Um, yeah, has to be kind of like a query. So let's see if I can get any. So I'm asking for getting me this title, these bullet points, basically this broad description. Let me see. Let me see what it does. Hmm. It's getting all your bullet points. They're lying. It's not real. Yeah, I think it's getting maybe something from the metadata. Actually, the title it is not accurate. Let me see the meta. Yeah, it is tricky. This is kind of like a weird. Alejandro. Sorry, my son is going crazy. So I think now, here we go. There we go. It's getting the title up through here, but now it's getting the bullet points. Uh, it's shady because it's not. Actually, I know this product and these are the old bullet points, so it is not scraping. It is just getting it from its data. So this is was probably the last time that I actually being whatever it is to the it does the like indexing or crawling. So this is actually yeah. This is the description, but it's not um what I want. So I thought it was going more accurate, but it's not. So this is what we got. I'm gonna cut the streaming. Just wanna show a little bit of what is this. I'm gonna show you the email, guys, for those one who expecting how it will look. The email when you get access to this. So you need to join the waiting list. So I got yesterday an email from Microsoft and I was super excited. Boom. So this is the email I got yesterday. When I get access to it. So they sent me an email at 6:41 p.m. You are in. Welcome to the new Bing. We're excited to give you access to an early preview of the new Bing, your AI powered answer engine. We will love your feedback to make the new Bing engine better. Thanks. We appreciate it, Bing team. So since yesterday I get access. I tried a little bit yesterday, and basically I like it. There's some stuff that there's kind of like a not real, but it looks like it is a cool feature getting connected to the internet. It's pretty similar to what ChatGPT does. So this is not kind of like a sometimes when you ask for do kind of like a hey, can you do a product title like a like this or that. Sometimes it does. Sometimes you say no, I'm not able to do that. I'm just can help you with search results like to helping you doing some search. But I guess they're preventing that because they're getting a new tool that is called Compose that it will be for you make it for that reason for that purpose. So I'm excited to see what else we can do. So that's it. I'm gonna leave you guys and please give me a comment if you guys want me to do this again. Like a summary of what we do today. So I kind of like trying to see like keyword research, trying to do kind of like see if he can fix some titles and product description for Amazon, making some quick suggestion. I asked to do kind of like a blog post. Then we messed it out a little bit with some stock and trading things, which is was kind of like accurate. Let me see actually, real quick before we go, how Tesla it is right now. Tesla stock. Was not that bad. So it is said that probably we will get through here. There's a long way to go, but it has been moving a little bit. So let's see today, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see how